Brother, hi brother.
Come brother, how are you going to do it?
We ourselves will do.
You do your duty. I'll send the boys. They'll help you out.
Okay brother.
Brother, even if they kill you tomorrow, you should not utter my name.
Don't worry about that brother.
When do you want it?
Tomorrow itself brother.
I have another important work. Once I finish this, I'll tell you.
Okay brother. We are moving now.
Be careful.
Okay.
Hey Kumar, even if they miss, you got to finish it.
Hey listen, I want to talk with you now.
Yes, tell me uncle.
See my dear, I would have shouted you on anger. But for that, why you want to do like this?
When I shall at you, you only angry with me.
See, this kind of problems will come in relation. But still.
Catch him, man. Don't leave him. Hey, don't leave him. Just catch him. Finish him. I said leave him. Don't leave him. Be careful.
What is happening? Husband! What's going on?
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
The person who is behind my sister's condition, I will finish off that son of a bloody bitch, and then you complete these rituals. I promise on my dear sister.
Promise! Run behind him! Don't leave him! Kill him! Stop! We don't want to leave him! We want to kill him! I'll kill you, man! I kill you! Don't let him finish! Finish him from here! Kill him! Kill him! Don't leave him! We'll not kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Don't leave him!
Don't leave him. Kill him.
Run, catch him!
Hey!
Cover him up! Cover him up!
Don't leave him. Come on, catch him. Quick. Get him. Come on. Hey, you! Hey! Where is he? Hey! Come on, search him! Come on, quick!
Don't think that he escaped. I'll catch him in 2 days' time, definitely. I'll put him in custody and then kill him.
Hey, policeman, my son knows what to do with the fellow who destroyed the life of my daughter. Get lost.
Hey, Granny, what do you care for? If tomorrow something very bad happens, who will run behind police and court, huh? Brother, good morning, brother.
I don't care for all this. Who sent you here, huh?
I come to meet Singham.
Singham?
Singaras, brother.
Where are you coming from?
I am from Kotalpatti, brother.
Name?
Maydevan, brother.
Wait here.
My brother. Come on, my brother. How are you? Neeradevan is wanting to kill you. Please keep yourself away from him. Okay, brother. I'll take leave. You be careful. I'll go and come back. Brother.
Huh?
Brother, take care of yourself. Hey, come man! What are you doing? Got it! Leave him! Leave him fast! Come, kill him! Kill you! Come! Don't leave him! I got him! Come! Come, all of you! Come! Don't leave him!
No, don't! Listen to us. Get him away,
I will not leave you, man!
Don't leave him.
I will not leave you!
Just stop
Go.
it.
Go.
I will not leave you!
Go.
I will kill you! I will not leave you, man!
Get lost.
Singham, bloody man! Do you know what is it telling you in anger? You can make us run away from here. Whereas Devan will definitely come here. He will chop your neck off. Yes!
Nobody knows that Singham is here, right?
No, nobody knows him.
Let it be that way.
Okay, I'll take care of them.
Hello, brother.
Hi, brother.
Sit down, brother. Brother, if you keep running, you will not stay alive. I have spoken to an advocate. Go to Dindigul in the morning and surrender yourself. Hey, Kumar, you have to take him. So be very careful, okay? Understand?
Okay, brother.
Brother, please save me, brother.
Kill that son of a bitch! Come on! Don't leave him! Kill him! Bloody kill him, man! Hey, come on! Just kill him! Make him into pieces! He should be here somewhere! Before sunrise, they should kill him! Come on! Quick! Search him! Search for the son of a bitch! Come on! Where is he gone? We should not leave him this time. Come on!
Don't
Quick,
leave him.
search him! Come on! Let's go! towards him, quick! We should finish him today itself!
I will find him. I'll kill him today. We will all kill him. Search for him. I will not let you go. I'll kill you. I will not let you go. Run! Run! Kill him! Kill him! I'll not kill you! I'll not leave you wherever you are.
Hey, stop.
Stop.
Hey, go and see what happened for him.
Stop. Please help me. Help me. Hey, what happened?
Brother, he is hurt, brother.
Get him in the car. Be careful.
Be careful. Come, get into the car.
Slow.
Come.
Hey, you get into the next vehicle. Make it fast.
Okay, brother.
That's your problem. It's a bloody cut.
I've fallen down.
Take water.
Well, on the way. Please drop me in the police station, please.
Wanna go to police station? What's your problem? Don't cry, brother. Tell me what's your problem. Brother, I told you not to cry. Tell me what's the problem. What the hell happened? Tell me. Say it.
Hey man, how was the dance?
Was it just a dance? Well, it was intense. We could not match your dance. Look at that instrument.
Hey, my dear, how come? This is my buddy's birthday party, right?
What you say is right. Tangam's birthday. You enjoyed it very, very well.
He is my buddy.
You are my Singham, right?
Hey, today is your birthday. Instead of going to the temple, you are still sleeping because of your yesterday's hangover. Hey, you have no job. Why are you taking that married fellow along with you unnecessarily? His wife has been waiting to give him nice beatings. Do you know that?
Hey idiot! Hey irritating fellow! Just stop there! I'm going to kill you for sure!
Who? We said we are taking with us.
Hey dude, it's already late. Come on, let's go. Hey, hold there. No, you come and catch me. I'll see how you catch me.
Hey, that fellow has been taking your lizard.
Hey idiot! Wherever you used to go, I'm going to kill you for sure! Just stop there!
Did you see how she is chasing him? I don't know who is coming to chase you.
When she will come and chase me, I am only waiting for her.
Hey, come,
Hey,
try to
stop
catch me.
there!
Hey, come.
Don't run!
Hey,
I'm telling you right, don't run! Just stop there! Hey, idiot!
Come,
I'm going to
try
come
catch me.
down!
Run behind my ass.
Stop!
What happened? You ready? So listen, unknowingly I called your name as Singham. And why are you playing this song every day?
You named me, right? So you got to hear that.
I should slip for your father who kept his name to you. Tell me, sir. Sir, I already told you. Vachadevin means faith. You take your share. The rest I'll come and collect. And then, sir, we'll finalize the contract deal also. I'll send it to my son Singham. Thank you, sir. Listen.
I'm coming! What happened?
Just bring that cover to me. Hey, take this cover and give it to the VO.
Okay.
Hey, have your breakfast then go.
I'm going to Usulambati only. I'll eat there.
See him, he is not even asking our words.
He's Uchadevan's son. He'll be like that only. Catch me if you can.
Hey, me.
Huh?
Come on, I'll drop you.
My father told me on that day, don't get married to a fair girl. She will slipper you, and that is happening now.
Hey,
You
what
can
the
never
hell you are
catch me.
doing?
I'll run
Just
away
wait
from
there.
Hey, go and
I'm
catch
going
him
to
quickly,
kill you.
else he will escape.
I'm coming. Just wait.
Every day
Don't
you people are
run.
doing like
Just
this.
stop there. Hey,
Hey,
stop there.
come. Catch me if you can. Hey,
I'm going to kill you.
come, I'm
Otherwise,
telling you,
I'll
come,
slap
catch
you
me if
in
you can.
anything.
Come,
Hey, just wait there.
come on, catch
You
me,
know about
come.
me very well.
Come.
Just wait.
Come,
I'm going to
catch me,
kill
catch me
you.
if you can. Come.
Wait
Oh,
there.
I'm going to run. No.
Don't make me do
Where
that.
is uncle still
Catch
missing?
me.
Wait.
Catch me if you can. Come.
Huh? I told
I'm
to you,
running, I'm
then
running.
it's understood.
Dude, I have not left even one street. I've run
Come sit,
all the
sit,
streets.
sit.
I'll sit this way. Then only I can see her coming behind me.
Wait there.
Bye, darling. I'm going to Uslay.
Oh, you are not listening my words.
Nice meeting. My darling, bye. I love you.
I will kill you in the night. Come, we'll see.
I love you,
You are
darling.
not listening my words and
Bye.
going with them.
Good morning, sir. Blessings, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Very good morning. Mayateva, just release him, buddy. How much should he pay you?
I have to give him 2 lakhs.
Viruma?
Yes, brother.
Take this money and give it to him.
My life has been completely destroyed. Why should I give him money now?
It's your mistake borrowing money from him. Now it's your responsibility to give it back. Come on, return the money.
Okay, brother.
What, Kottachami? Did you receive the interest and the principal amount? Finally, you have got back your money. Because of your torture, girl committed suicide. His daughter. Now you give back his daughter's life. Can't you give it back? Can't you give it back? Can't you give it back? Reply to me! Son of a bitch! It will take just a moment for me to kill you here itself. You understand? But you should be a lesson. Henceforth, whoever see you should understand that no one should kill for money. I'll kill you, son of a bitch. Come, let's go. Come on. Huh? Hey, you're trying to play the fool with me or what?
Hey, May!
Oh, what's that, brother?
What happened? You are taking bath here?
What do I tell? Early morning she starts chasing me with the broom in hand. How do I take bath there?
You are bathing once in a while only. Hey, do me a favor. Get me a cigarette.
Okay, bro.
Filter cigarette, okay?
Okay, have it.
It's a great feeling after bath. Go, man. How do you do all this?
Hey, what happened to you?
What is very less, man?
You don't have enough water?
Brother, give me a cigarette. Look at him.
Hey, buddy. What happened? You're looking so weird today.
No, that's not the problem. He hasn't looked at his darling today. That's why he's looking so dull.
Is that so?
Just one cut only. His hands were sliced. Blood.
Buddy. Hey. When Veerathevan attempted, hand alone got separated. He has got a very big uncle. His name is Valayathevan. If he throws the sword, the head alone fly in the air. My dear has seen the murder for the first time, right? That's the reason he is little bit tensed. Buddy, small kids only will get afraid of blood. You are a lion. Come on, have it. Hey, come on, have it.
Hey, dude, look, man, see how I'm drinking. You should drink this way. Take it, finish it. Ah, that's it. Hey, have something to drink, man. Look, man. Hey, have something to drink. It's already he's troubling me. Now it's your trouble over it. Have it. Have.
What, uncle? You said her trouble?
Then how do you call that? If you're loving her, you should stand near her house and love her. Otherwise, you should have stood out of her college and loved her. Otherwise, you should at least stand where she can see you. 3 years standing behind the wall, how should we love you?
If I stand in front of college or house, everybody will know. Town people should not see.
You're not hiding from the town, man. You're hiding from the girl itself.
That all, my darling, very well knows, uncle.
That girl is not looking at you itself. Then how will she know you?
That is called love. In the world of love, she very well knows what I am doing and where I am, uncle.
Okay, tell me in your world, which color dress will she put on come today? Tell me correctly. I will believe what you are telling. Otherwise, you accept that your world is a false world and you will never look at the girl again hereafter in future. Okay? Okay?
Okay, uncle. I cannot imagine a life in your absence. You are like the breath of air that I need to live, the drop of water in a thirsty desert. I need you like a bird, need the skies to go higher.
Listen, dude.
My dear love,
Come out of your dream
I
world.
always
Go
be
the
near
now.
to you, and you should be.
Hey, idiot. This and all one matter. You are crying like this.
No, sister. Uncle made lot of fun of me. My love is not blind. If she is not there,
You will die, isn't it? I am tired of listening all this stupid thing. Now tell something new to me.
Just shut your mouth. Do you have any sense? My brother is feeling a lot, but you are kidding like anything. Now what do you want? That girl has to speak with you, that's all right? Tomorrow I will come and I'll speak with that girl.
sister.
Tomorrow she will speak with you.
I wish I had a sister like this. I would have also got married to a very good girl.
Sister, see there, she came.
Oh, she came, huh? She is only that girl.
Thank God she's come.
Sister, just hold on. What? Sister-in-law, how are you?
Sister-in-law?
If Tangam is marrying you, you are in sister-in-law only, right?
Tangam has to marry, right? Then let him come.
That's all. I will tell him to come. Huh. My sister-in-law needs to talk with you only. Go, brother. Go and talk with her. Go, brother. Go. Why you are shy? Go.
Sister.
Go, dude. Dude, go speak to fast and come. Your uncle is waiting for that. It's unbearable. Go, dude. Go. Go. Go back.
Are you in love with me? Do you want to get married? Okay, then come home and ask formally.
What? You are saying really?
Huh? What? Are you scared?
No, I am not scared at all.
Then?
But,
Okay, then I will come to your house and ask formally.
Hey, brother. My sister-in-law liked you very much. She is going to marry you for soon.
Like the young girls, no one else lifted their heads. It's because of the fairness on you.
Yes, that's right. Who can look him in the eye? What I say is right or wrong, brother.
Fear? Not fear. Respect, bro. All the people of this village respects our family.
I don't know what he is going to say now.
Don't keep blabbering. Just come.
Brother, he is coming there.
What, Karuvayan? What is your problem? Do you require any money for your daughter's marriage?
No, that is not the problem. We fixed the marriage date also. But the groom people are telling the girl's stars are not good.
We need to do some formalities, then it will resolve.
What's that?
We need to arrange the marriage in the Karupaswamy temple. Then it will resolve soon, said by astrologer.
Have you printed the invitation?
Not yet, sir.
Mention my name and print.
Okay, sir. There is no evil that can come strike here. Everything will be fine here. I know the God, He will help everybody. All the poor people will be definitely helped by the people. My Karpaya God will definitely take off everybody. You don't worry about anything. Everything will be fine here. Everything will be fine here. May God bless you. You are blessed. You are blessed. Go.
Welcome.
Blessing,
Welcome.
sir. Blessing.
Good morning. Veeradeva. I am happy that in this village you are helping people of all caste and creed. That is a good thing. But entering inside the temple, there are some limitations to be followed, right? The limitation what you are seeing now, if they had seen before, you will not be standing in front of us wearing this costume, you know that? I have a doubt. For doing all your work, these people should come, right? But these people can't enter inside the temple? First you understand, buddy, God is equal to all living human beings. So anyone can enter inside the temple. Why are you being biased in this?
You can come and speak whatever you want, but we have a system and a method to follow.
Okay, we are leaving. See you later. Karuvaya, I am leaving. Take care of this new couple.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Bye. See you. See you guys.
What, baby? You are really happy today? If you tell me, I will be also happy, right?
Do you know what happened in my house today?
If you tell only, I will know, right?
They came to see me formally.
Actually, I'm very happy that you people have come here to ask for my daughter Pasumpan. But she's a very small girl.
Thank God.
She wants to do her studies. Let her study. Please don't mistake us. I think it's better you can go for another proposal. We will also help you. I will conduct this marriage, I am assuring you.
Okay. After completing our studies, we'll give it to my second son.
That maybe we can look into it later.
My God. My brother, when he said that I need not get married now, I wondered why. And then when my auntie said I could marry the younger brother, you should have seen my happiness. You've missed it. Did you know that the second son is way better looking than the first son? Hey, what happened? What happened? Why are you crying? Hey, what happened?
Will you leave me? I can never imagine without you. I will die for sure.
Hey, are you mad? How do you think I can be without you? Won't I also come with you? I just wanted to tease you. That is why I talk like this. And because of that, you're crying.
Then shall we marry? Tell me, baby.
If you say this suddenly...
No. But tomorrow he changes his thought. Then definitely he will fix marriage for you. I will take care of you very well. Please trust me.
walk like a tortoise. Walk faster than me.
Okay, I will come.
Hey,
Don't
don't
fall
talk, come
like
fast.
this.
I need to take care of your family. Otherwise, you'll have no food to eat this year.
Oh, you are not taking care of my
What,
father.
uncle? Where are you going?
There is a big panchayat in the town there. My uncle has hit somebody there. That's why I'm going there.
Hey, May. I think you are going to get nicely from those guys.
Who will dare to hit me? If they hit me, do you think will I keep quiet? Come, let's go. Come.
See, he is just blabbering here. He is not
Come
going to
soon.
make it there.
Wave it faster, man. Wave it faster. I need to have some air. It's very painful. It's burning. Hey, what are you doing there inside?
Making tea.
Leave making tea over there. Bring something for me first here.
Oh, he's irritating me like anything. Why are you shouting? At least I'm giving
you
water
should be
for
careful
you. Your
that
mom
I'm your
won't give
husband.
anything.
Uncle,
Tell me, dude.
I have a doubt. You have lot of places in your body. Then why he particularly kicked your ass?
Only stabbing in the bum, there is no case.
So that only they are hitting in that place, huh?
You're laughing at me, isn't it? Laugh your time.
Just kick out that ass.
Burning!
You've said so easily that we can get married. But I've been feeling nervous for the past 4 days.
Why are you getting tensed? My uncle is there. He will definitely take care.
That is okay. But won't your parents scold you?
That my uncle will convince. What are you looking? Why I am saying again and again my uncle, uncle. How important is your brother for you? Same like my uncle. If anything happened to us, he will sacrifice his life for us.
Then our marriage will happen very well, right?
What, brother? I brought you to the place where Dude is. Now why are you sitting down quietly there? Speak something.
What do you want me to say? He said that he is in love with a girl and he wants to marry her. I thought that girl would be someone else. But she is Veerathevan's sister. She is not from a simple family, you know. Her family will be coming behind us. They will kill us for sure.
I am not feared of dying. She is innocent. How important you are for me, same she is. She has trusted us and came here.
Listen, it's all because of age this sort of things will happen. But because of this, you know what will happen? It is not only between both of you and also not between your families. It is between both of your villages. You know how many people will die? And I'm sure the importance you are giving for your love will definitely wind up if you have any problem for your family. And I'm sure about it. You should get that maturity to lead a family life.
Listen, just stop.
No, I'm going. Because of me, why should you get into problems?
Just a minute. Uncle, she will be with me lifelong. Please trust uncle. If I have a problem, will not stand with me. She is going. Please call her. Call her.
Sister. I like him a lot, you know. He didn't even ask me anything till now in his life. You are standing so boldly with him now. Will you stand forever?
Definitely, brother.
Not only your brother, sister, even if your village also comes. And I'm sure tomorrow you both will get married. Hey, May, get ready.
Okay, brother. So long they have not come. Hey, wait, man. They'll come. They'll come. Even the phone is switched off. I don't know what has happened. They're come at last. Hey, come fast, man, come.
Hey, Mayateva, everything is ready?
Everything is ready.
Come on, get ready soon.
Hey, dude, why so late, man?
Hey, get these flowers.
Everything is ready. Come fast.
I told him, come.
Come. Walk fast.
Come on, dude. Hey, get her also.
Come. Hey, hi.
Welcome. Please come fast. Come on, quick.
Take this, please.
Give him that. Please get it.
Here, take this garland. Yes.
Sister, you should have came in sari.
No, brother. If I suddenly wear a sari, people at home will ask.
Brother, what is the importance of a sari in a marriage? Take the sacred thread and give him to tie her.
Now exchange the garland.
Take, brother.
Come on, dude.
Garland,
Proceed.
dude.
Uncle, you take and give. Hereafter, you are everything for us. You just take it and give us.
What, are you afraid? He will take care of you perfectly. I'll be here, he is also here, our village is also here. We will take care of you as the queen.
I know all that. But when I think of my brothers, I'm feeling very scared.
I'm also your brother and I'm going to give him your marriage chain. No one can remove it from you. Buddy, tie this chain.
Dude, tie her the 3 knots.
Uncle, bless us.
Hey, come on. No. What is this, buddy? You should live for a long time. Hey, come on, take a picture of us. Come on, this side.
Come here. Come closer. All of you come together. Why is it so dark? Oh, Singham is standing, that's why.
Yeah, he is looking in a lemonish color. Hey, take out your finger from the camera.
Oh, fingers to be taken. Sorry. What is that they keep behind this man shoot it? What is it, kulfi or a cone ice cream?
That's not a kulfi, that's a selfie.
Oh, selfie. Let's take. Smile, please. Sister, be careful.
Buddy, come on.
Come
Let's
fast.
go.
Come.
Stop.
What nonsense is this? No respect.
Hey,
What,
why
uncle?
did you do
What
such
happened
a
now?
thing?
They loved each other and they got married now. Not only Veerathevan, whoever may come, let's see.
Where is my sister? Hey, I'm asking you, where is my sister? Go and bring that money.
Brother.
Just bring it. Hey, what is your name?
Thangapandi.
What is your dad's name?
Rasu.
What?
Rasudevan.
Who is your mother? Give this to her.
Take.
I don't want.
This Veerathevan's sister. People should not say that she is living in a poverty family. That's the reason.
Forgive me, brother.
I gave this money to him just because. It's my duty. Come on, guys. Buddy, what is your name?
Single.
If I see tears coming from my sister's eyes even once, I'll finish you. Come on, guys.
Sister, don't ask your daughter-in-law to cut the onions, okay? If tears comes out her eyes because of the onions, they will come and chop my head.
Do you know what is well cleaning?
What a stupid question are you asking, sir?
I can see him. He has already done the job. Come to the point first.
Actually, sir, there is huge expenses for well cleaning, sir. That's the reason I was a little behind.
You're right. You know that they have separated an amount for that. But you don't know that I picked up the slug from there.
You done with that work?
I promise, man. Everything is written on papers. Read it out.
5 JCP, 5 tractor, per day about 80 laborers. And then myself, sir, altogether almost about 10 lakh 60 rupees.
You heard it properly? They have given only 10 lakhs from the panchayat. 60 rupees is my own money. Tell the panchayat to keep the money. I'll take it when I'm going back. I am the only person who is living for this whole village, Uchchadevan. Shall I leave now? And you'll have to have some tea or coffee?
We already had.
Not for you, man. If you buy it from the panchayat fund, I thought I can have it and go. They are not even worth a cup
What
of
is
tea.
this, bro? He is trying to hide everything now.
He's so tricky that he will take entire panchayat money with him.
Why have you grown your nails so big?
Dear, if anyone sees you, they will tease you.
Who will see? I am doing for my wife.
Hey, you were roaming about everywhere before marriage. Now that you have got a wife, why don't you go and search a job?
Auntie, don't scold him, Auntie. Is he old enough to go to work? He's just a little boy. It is our duty to look after him.
Little boy? I'm little boy for you.
Yes.
Hey, stop! Hey, stop there!
He will never go for work.
Oh,
There's nobody at home?
Oh, these people have come. No other work.
Where is my brother-in-law?
He has gone for work. What do you want now? Tell me. Look at his face. He looks
Hey,
like
bro,
a monkey.
come here. Where is the new dude?
He is on the terrace. Go and see.
Oh, bro, you're waiting? I'm coming.
Okay, bro.
Okay?
I'm little boy for you.
Yes, you are a little boy.
Now tell me, I'm little boy.
Yes, you are a little boy.
Hey, uncle, what you surprised me?
Somebody's waiting down to meet this girl. Come with me. Dude, everything in the morning also, huh?
Welcome, uncle. How are you?
I'm fine, sister. How are you?
I'm fine, uncle.
Actually, your brother Vellayathevan told me to come and see you.
Oh.
Just a minute,
Okay.
sister. Hello? Talk to him.
Brother? It's me, brother.
How are you?
Yes, brother, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Is your husband nearby?
Yes, brother, he's here. Just a minute.
Give it to him.
Hello.
Brother. How are you? I could not attend the marriage, man. My darling sister should be always laughing. And that is your responsibility, brother.
Sure, uncle.
Your wife is not an ordinary girl. She is the treasure of our house. She is well. She must be happy. Think about it and be careful about it.
Take this.
You don't worry. I'll come and meet you soon. I'll also bring Veerathevan along.
Oh, okay, brother.
Okay, sister. Take care of yourself.
You also take care, brother.
All right, sister.
Here, uncle. Eat and then leave, uncle.
It's okay, I ate already. Take care of your health, dear.
Okay, uncle.
Okay, we are leaving now. Madam, we are going.
Okay, carry
See you,
on.
buddy.
Okay.
See you, sister.
Yes,
Take
uncle.
care.
You continue that? Bro, come on, man. Bye.
Look at the way he is talking. Good for nothing.
Bye.
Hey, you know what happened that day?
You should be blessed this way in your life. They are the
It's
best
all
couple I've
because
seen.
of your fate,
Even
my
that
dear.
is right, brother.
You don't get that much good. What, buddy? You haven't listened us after your marriage? I think you forgot us totally. Okay. Enjoy.
No, uncle. I was just going for Uslambati for a small work. That's why I didn't notice you. Baby only told. Brother is sitting there.
Why? Your darling only thought that brother is sitting here. She couldn't see us both.
Yes, she told.
Then you combine and tell everybody.
Umadara brother. Singer brother. May brother. All are sitting together only. I told combinedly, right?
You told. You're going to somebody, okay. But when you're coming back, buy some sweet for me and come.
Okay, uncle. Definitely.
I told you, right? He likes only to eat.
Okay, shall I leave?
Okay. Take care. Bye.
Brother, our sister. Pasumban. It's a long time since we have seen her.
Sit.
Brother, our sister is getting good care, it seems, brother.
Don't wait. Stop. Hey, come on.
Anjali, stop!
Don't fight me.
Don't fight, hey! Leave it! Hey, stop! Hey!
Come on, stop.
Come on! Hey, how many times? Hey, stop it, hey!
Hey, stop it, man. Don't hit it.
Hold them,
Hey,
hold
stop
them.
it. Stop it.
Hey.
I'm coming. Wait, I'm coming.
Split them up, split them up!
What happened?
Hey!
Wait, don't hit him! Hey,
Stop!
what are you doing? Don't hit him!
Hey!
Oh!
Leave me!
Don't hit him, let's go!
I will kill him!
Let's go!
I said leave me, uncle! Hey,
Stop!
I said leave me!
Come!
I will
Come,
kill
man.
him!
Hey.
Come, let's go! Don't do all these things. Why are you fighting with them? Come, dude, let's go!
Hey, leave it!
Come! Please come, let's go! Don't. Hey, why are you so adamant, man? Hey, Shiva, what happened, man? Tell me.
You know what he told, uncle?
What did he tell you, man?
Hey man, what you told? Tell me! I said tell now!
He just said that Ramu told Shiva that you are going with irresponsible guys. How does he manage his wife? And for that, this fellow said he goes around town as he wishes. The same way his wife also goes around the town. That is how he is managing his life, is what he said.
Hey, leave him, man, leave him! Leave, dude, leave him! Leave him, man! Leave, my dude, leave! We'll take care of them later. Come, dude, let's see them
My
later.
sister, right?
Come, dude, let's see them later. What up, man? All of you have come together? Even you have called me? Collecting some money for the elections?
No, Vachateva. You say that you are the leader of this town for the last 20 years, but you have not done anything properly to us. To do something proper to us, we are going to select a leader.
Who is the other leader?
Kadavathevan.
What do you think? People wearing white shirts are all leaders. Look here. As per the Kutalpatti Panchayat is concerned, till I die, I will be the leader. After me, my son Singh will be the leader.
This is not your family's property. This town has decided on this. In coming elections, he is going to contest and he should be selected unopposed.
Who are you to elect him unopposed? So many years I won it. I'll win these elections also. Meet you in the election.
Uncle, don't get angry. Why unnecessary trouble? Just give it away for one time. Opposing the village, how can we will win, uncle?
I think he's got a very valid point.
Good for nothing fellow in this village, you bloody scoundrel. You're advising me? I'll kill you. Listen. See you in the election.
You know about him, right, buddy? Please forgive me.
Actually, this boy told us very correct. He is a mad fellow.
What, uncle? I am smoking, no puff is coming.
Hey, give me a matchbox.
No matchbox. This is matchbox. Okay? Enjoy.
Are you trying to teach me? This is matchbox only.
Anything
Let whatever
it is.
be. Dude, do you need a cigarette?
It's foreign cigarette. It is for tomorrow. I kept inside.
Buddy, did you forgive me?
I forgave you, uncle.
My dad is a good person only. But he's mad about his position. That's the reason he bet you. But what he done is really a mistake only. Please forgive me for that.
Uncle, what uncle? He is my uncle. He is same like my father. Like that only. What? Just explain the uncle not to oppose the villagers. We should win, right?
We'll win it. We'll definitely win.
We should win.
Yes, we will win.
What, uncle?
We are winning. We are
Yes.
winning. And we are winning.
Yes.
Buddy, did you forgive me?
I forgave you.
Hey, he forgive me.
Forgiven you.
Hey, he really forgive me. He really forgive me. Buddy, you have already forgiven me. You go back to your home. Your wife will be waiting for you.
You also go.
Go home. Yes.
Then you also leave back to your home.
Let all of us go. Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, let's all go. Come on. Be careful. Be careful. Steady.
You can drive, right?
I'm Singham, buddy. Singham.
Singo, take the side shadow.
I'm steady.
Hey, what is this?
Dude, will you drive or shall I drive your uncle?
No, I will ride. Come,
Okay,
sit. Hey, this is second time. Be
Go back
careful.
carefully, okay?
Be careful, man.
Hey.
Be careful.
Oi,
Okay,
be careful.
okay,
Let's all go back home.
Dear, what happened to you? You are all right in the morning, right? Tell me what happened, my dear. Tell me. Open the mouth and say something. My dear, I'm asking you only. Please tell me. My son, see here. How your father sitting here? At least you ask your father what happened.
Hey, did you just return from any condolence home?
Yes, man. This is a death house only.
What are you blabbering?
Yes, man. You're calling him rude and drifting on your shoulders and running all the way? Do you know what he has done today? Veerathevan. Good evening, brother.
What, brother? How are you?
I'm good, brother.
Actually, I heard that you had called somebody good for nothing fellow in this village. And I also heard that you called him scoundrel.
I did not mean that.
Even though he has taken my sister from me, he is Veerathevan's brother-in-law.
No, brother,
Bloody
please
son
don't
of
do
a
this,
bitch.
brother.
Do you think
No,
that
brother,
you have
don't do
grown
this,
this
brother.
village to die from me?
Brother, don't do this.
Get up. Get up.
Brother, I'm
Get
extremely
up.
sorry. Don't do this to
your
me.
shirt. Remove your shirt. Remove your shirt. I said remove your shirt.
No, brother, don't do this, brother.
Now remove your dhoti.
Leave me,
I
brother.
said remove your dhoti.
Brother.
Just listen to me.
Oh, brother,
Go back to your
please.
house in the same costume. If village people ask you why are you coming like this, just tell that I tried to hit Veerathevan's brother-in-law. Veerathevan and his gang heard about it and came and punished me, and that's the reason I've come like this. Tell them.
Brother, it's my mistake.
Get lost. Quick. Get lost. Now. Come on, quick.
Oh, brother.
Get lost, you son of a bitch.
Hey, my son, where are you going? Just stop there. Hey, don't fight with them. Hey, listen to my words. Just listen to my words, please. Please don't fight with them. My son, please stop there. Hey, listen my words. Hey, stop there. Hey, Singo, please stop there. Please. Hey, please listen my words. We'll speak in the morning. Hey, stop there. Hey, stop. Listen my words. Hey, stop, my son.
Hey,
My
hey, dude.
son,
Hey, dude,
please
where are you
stop
going?
there.
What happened? Tell me.
Brother, please
What
tell
happened?
him to
Why are you
stop.
so angry? Where
Hey,
are you
please,
going?
my son, stop there.
Single, listen to me, Single.
Don't
Please,
want
listen to me,
anything,
Single.
please. We'll speak in the morning.
Tell me, dude.
Please, my dear son, come, we'll go.
Hey, tell me what has happened. Hey, leave it.
Leave me.
Let's speak it out. Why are you so angry?
Leave me, I said.
Don't want.
Please
Leave
leave
me.
it.
Listen my words. We'll speak in the morning.
He's our dude.
What, uncle?
Hey, buddy, are you such a big guy to threaten my dad with some people?
What I did, uncle?
I told you, right? It's my dad's mistake and I told you to forgive him also,
Leave it,
right?
leave it, dude. Don't make this
You
big.
just shaken
Leave
the
it. There's
hands with
nothing
me
in
and
it.
you told your cousins to remove the pant and shirt for my dad.
What, uncle? What happened?
Leave it. We'll sort it in the morning.
So finally you've taken a revenge on me, right?
Leave
Come, my
it.
son.
Come,
Hey.
let's go. Huh?
Really super.
Please.
Just leave it, my son.
Buddy, a real bold man will not hit on someone else's
Hey,
backside.
please come.
You have to face
Listen,
one
my
to
son.
it.
Hey, leave it.
Hey.
Hey.
What, uncle? You're talking like this?
What is there to talk like dude or buddy hereafter? You threatened my dad finally, right?
Singo, please.
Hey, you know how Veerathevan became your brother-in-law? It's all because of me only. Did you forget it? We will see it. Let the election gets over. Then we will see either you or me, okay?
Come, let's go. Come.
Uncle, just stop, uncle. I didn't do anything.
You won't listen to my words.
What? I told to your brothers. Who said to do like this?
Hey, stop beating her. Her brother said that what will she do? He's a bloody drunkard, comes here and screams. You go inside.
You
Get
come
in,
with
let's
me,
talk
come.
in the morning.
Uncle, he's angry with me.
Hey, go inside, go inside. Hey, go inside, buddy. Hey, come, let's go. These people don't have any other work.
Hey, it's all between brothers.
Creating unnecessary problems. Come, let's go and sleep.
Hey, go back. All of you, go back home.
It's their mistake. What I did.
They've done this only for you, that's why.
I want to see uncle.
Leave it, dude.
I want to see. You are coming or not?
I know that you not listen me. No, he should be here only. Look at his bike's parked there. Hey dude, there he's sitting there. Come, let's go. Come on, dude.
Uncle. Uncle. I want to talk with you, uncle.
Hey, ask him to leave now.
I want to talk with you. I said right, I want to talk with you.
Leave my hand. I said to leave.
Who they are, uncle? They are new to village?
They're from the next village. His relatives.
Yes, brother. Please vote for us. Hey, please vote for us, okay? Thank you. Sister, don't forget, okay? Please vote for us.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Hello, good morning, brother. Hey, dude,
Hi,
come
bro.
on, dude.
Yeah, please
definitely.
don't forget.
Yeah,
You have
don't
to vote
forget,
for
please.
us, okay?
Okay,
I'll
dude,
see you
take care
later.
of yourself. Hello, brother.
Hey, good morning,
Yeah,
bro.
come, uncle.
Hello,
Bro,
brother.
please
Hello.
don't forget you have to vote for
yeah,
us,
sure,
okay?
sure.
Bro, please don't forget.
Okay,
you have
go
to vote.
home and give this vote card,
Okay, bro,
man.
but please don't forget you have to
He's a
vote for us,
jobless
okay?
Listen, all these years we have won is not important. We should win this year. It's my prestige.
Long live,
Get up! Get up!
My
Tell
dear.
me, is Singham my real
Why
son?
are you doing like this? My dear, why are you talking like this?
If he was my blood, he would have chopped off the neck for the insult they had done to me. Hey, what is that? Remember, handman.
Leave him now.
Yes, man.
He's your dad.
If you are really born to me, you would have chopped his neck off when he made me run with my trousers. Today he has made me lose the elections. He has insulted me. He has spoiled the name of Vachadevan. Listen to me. If he chops his neck and will come, only then he will be Vachadevan's son. Otherwise, I will tell everybody that he was born to a guest who came home.
Did you listen what your father is saying I never do anything. Then how come he can talk like this? What you're going to do now?
I'm calling you, buddy. What is wrong with our buddy? He is not coming to have liquor with us, sitting alone. Something is wrong. We'll check with him. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. How long are you going to sit like this, buddy? Just forget everything. We will finish that son of a bitch, okay? Buddy, have one beer first. Come on, quick. We'll take care of him later. Have this.
In this way only unknowingly I committed a mistake. Please try to save.
Who are you looking at? I am your god of death. Veeratevan. I am the one. Veeratevan. Chop him to pieces. Only splinters must remain.
I told you that day itself. If I ever see tears in my sister's eyes even one day, I will finish you off. But now you have destroyed my sister's life itself. Hey! Catch that Veeratevan and just drag him and bring him here. Come on, immediately.
What is this? What is happening here?
Bring him back.
My son, don't leave him. Cut him into pieces.
Leave my husband. Please. Leave my
Hey,
husband.
Veeratevan. Your son had killed my brother-in-law at the village outskirts. No one has seen that. But me, in front of this entire village. I'm going to kill your son just now itself.
What are you going to do, brother?
I'm going to kill the son of a bitch and his entire family
Then
now.
what about my pain, brother?
In that case, you finish him now.
Pasupan. How will I won't kill you, brother. I won't, brother. I won't kill you. The people I should kill are my brothers and my father. Yes, father. That day when my husband spoke, he spoke in an innocent manner, but still, the way you slapped him, the name and fame, you have ruined it, father. Yes, it is you. What is the problem between you and him, brother? Be patient. If that man had pardoned my husband, and you had pardoned that man, all of this would never have happened. You were only proud of yourselves, but you all did not see my life before the pride. You did not see my life, brother. No need, brother. Let all this end with the death of my husband. That is all. Don't speak anything and don't make yourself feel bad, brother. It is your son-in-law's fault. After my marriage, because he spent time with you. Why are people born and spend time together, brother? I have 5 brothers, but I did not trust them. I only trusted you and I came along, right, brother? You said that you are there, your son-in-law is there, and the entire town is there. Didn't you say so, brother? But you have made me a widow, brother. You only blessed us, brother.
No one can separate both of you. Buddy, come on, proceed.
It is true, brother. You take it away. Here, brother. Take it away, brother.
Sister, please kill me. I've committed a mistake. Please kill me, sister. Please kill me. Please kill me, sister. Please don't make me kill you. Please kill me now itself. With your hands, please kill me, sister.
Why should I do the same wrong that all of you have done, brother? Take it away, brother. Remove it, brother. Remove it, brother. Remove it. Remove it.
You got married because of me only, and because of me your marriage life is also over. Please kill me now itself, my dear sister. Please don't forgive me. Please kill me now itself. Sister, please kill me now itself. I spoiled your life together. Please kill me. Please kill me now itself, sister. Please kill me now itself.
See, she gave you the good life for you. No one can do anything.
How important is your brother for you? Same like my uncle. If anything happened to us, he will sacrifice his life for us.